Let us move on to the next infrastructure component, Azure Sovereign Regions, which is a special form of regions catered to specific organizations. Azure Sovereign Regions offer a viable solution for organizations that require a high level of security and compliance. These regions are completely isolated from the central Azure platform. They aim to provide a secure and compliant option for organizations that require it. They offer isolation not found in other Azure regions, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. Additionally, they are subject to strict regulatory requirements and compliance standards, ensuring that organizations can meet their legal and industry-specific obligations. In the United States, 3 sovereign regions are available, namely US DoD Central, Government Virginia, and Government Iowa. Similarly, in the case of China, we have 2 sovereign regions, namely China East and China North. Of course, these are the regions as of this recording. In the case of China, they are operated through a partnership with a trusted third-party provider. The Azure Infrastructure Globe is an excellent resource for gaining in-depth knowledge about the various regions and their offerings. One example is the China North region, which has an independent and a dedicated network. This network ensures that users can enjoy the benefits of a secure and reliable platform without worrying about external factors. Similarly, the China East region is also a sovereign offering, meaning that it is entirely self-governed and operates on its terms. This level of autonomy ensures that users enjoy a seamless experience with the added assurance of knowing their data is safe and secure.